Hi, it's Jamie. I'm back with another amazing video for you. Are you a woman going through menopause who is struggling to achieve your fitness goals? Well, you're not alone. Menopause brings hormonal changes that can make weight loss feel like an uphill battle. But fear not, because today we're going to show you how to navigate menopause and achieve your fitness goals without skipping a beat. First, it's important to understand that menopause is not an excuse to give up on your fitness journey. In fact, exercise can help alleviate many menopause symptoms such as hot flashes and mood swings. So, don't let menopause discourage you from staying active. Next, let's talk about nutrition. During menopause, your body's metabolism slows down, making it easier to gain weight. But with a balanced and healthy diet, you can still achieve your weight loss goals. Focus on nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid processed foods and sugary snacks that can disrupt your hormone balance. When it comes to exercise, mix it up. Incorporate cardio exercises like brisk walking, cycling, or dancing to burn calories and promote heart health. Strength training is also crucial during menopause to maintain muscle mass and combat loss of bone density. Combine these exercises with yoga or Pilates to improve flexibility and reduce stress. Remember, consistency is key. Set realistic goals and create a workout routine that you enjoy, ensuring you'll stick with it. Don't be too hard on yourself. Progress may be slower during menopause, but every small step counts. Lastly, listen to your body. Menopause can cause joint pain and fatigue, so be mindful of your limitations. Take rest days when needed, prioritize self-care, and don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. In conclusion, menopause doesn't have to stand in the way of your fitness goals. With the right mindset, nutrition, and exercise routine, you can navigate menopause and achieve the healthy, fit lifestyle you desire. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and information. Keep rocking and stay fit.